Hey friends, if you are unable to open command prompt as an administrator, you get no response to the run command command prompt as administrator, then please watch this video. Now we will use different methods to open command prompt and let's see if it works. Most probably it will. So the command for command prompt is cmd. First of all, search for task manager. Okay. Now click on this file option here. Wait. Click on this file option here and then select the new task, name it cmd and then check this checkbox. Create this task with new administrative privileges. Click on yes and now the administrator command prompt has opened. Then the second one is to press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type cmd and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open the elevated command prompt window. And the last one is to open PowerShell. Then open Windows PowerShell and then type the command cmd and hit enter. And this will also open a command prompt as an administrator. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.